Everyone talks about investing. Stocks, crypto, real estate. It sounds exciting. But when most people actually try to start, they feel confused, overwhelmed, and unsure where to put their money. And that confusion is exactly why most people never build real wealth. The problem is, 2026 is not a normal year to invest blindly. Inflation is still unpredictable, interest rates change fast, and markets react to news instantly. What worked 10 years ago doesn't always work now, and guessing can destroy years of savings in months. This is the biggest mistake people make. They rush into investing without a safety net. No emergency fund, no plan, sometimes even debt. And when life happens, a job loss, an emergency, they are forced to sell at the worst possible time. Smart people understand one simple rule. You cannot invest confidently if you are financially fragile. Before investing a single pound or dollar, they build an emergency fund. That cash gives peace of mind, control, and the power to invest without fear. Before smart people invest aggressively, they clean up expensive debt. Credit cards, overdrafts, and personal loans charge interest that grows faster than most investments. Paying off high-interest debt is often the safest and highest return you can get. Instead of guessing which company will win, smart investors spread their risk. They use broad market funds that track hundreds of companies at once. This approach reduces mistakes, lowers stress, and has historically beaten most individual stock pickers over time. Smart people don't rely only on markets. They invest in skills that increase their earning power, skills that pay every month for years. Better income means more savings, more investing, and more freedom, no matter what the economy does. Smart investors view real estate as a long-term income tool. They focus on steady cash flow, not flashy flips. Rental income, even when modest, can provide stability, inflation protection, and predictable monthly returns over time. Many wealthy people don't just work for money, they own things that earn money. That could be a small business, online income, or shares in profitable companies. Ownership creates income that isn't limited by hours worked. The final advantage smart investors use is time. They stay patient, consistent, and disciplined. They don't chase trends or panic during crashes. Over years, time does most of the heavy lifting, quietly compounding wealth. Just as important as knowing where to invest is knowing what to avoid. Smart people stay away from hype, quick profit schemes, and investments they don't understand. If something promises guaranteed or fast returns, it's usually hiding risk, not opportunity. Smart investing isn't complicated. It follows a clear order. First, protect yourself with savings. Second, remove expensive debt. Third, invest consistently in assets that grow over time. This framework works in any country, any economy, and any market cycle. Most people fail because they rush. Smart people win because they stay patient. They focus on habits, not headlines. They invest steadily, ignore noise, and let time do the work. That quiet discipline is what separates long-term wealth from short-term regret. If you want to understand money clearly, without hype or confusion, follow the Money Mind. We break down finance simply, calmly, and honestly, so you can make better decisions for your future.